Okay, so we've made some progress. Next thing that we need to do is fill in these holes here that were left by the bolts for the shelving systems. And as you can see, there's quite a bit of them. Quite a few. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, that's a 20. Okay, so we've got our Bondo fiberglass resin, disposable paintbrush, got some Rust-Oleum, sandpaper, fiberglass mat, and hardener, and a stick. Not even a paint stick, it's just a fucking stick. Yeah, don't at me. And a bucket to mix it in. First thing we need to do is use the sandpaper and remove all the rust around the holes, or as much as we can, and then hit it with the Rust-Oleum. So not much here, but okay, so as you can see, we've sanded the rust. I hit the holes after I sanded them with some Rust-Oleum, some other little rusty patches that I'll hit later, but I just want to get these holes covered. So we have here is our fiberglass mat. Basically, we just need to cut out a little section that'll be a good size for each one of our holes. And you want to do this all at once, so cut your portions all at once because this stuff hardens really fast. Look at that. Shit is going everywhere. So, yeah, cut your sections. So just a little square like that should be good for, boom, you can actually cover up 2 holes with that. So that's awesome. Put that there. There's another one. There you go. That'll cover all 3. Okay, and so got everything cut and laid where it needs to go. Next thing we need to do is make our mixture. So we got our resin, got our hardener, got my gloves on, got my mask on, which, by the way, you should have been wearing this the whole time anyways. Brush that is gonna be basically disposed of, and our stick. Yes, the fucking stick. It's not a paint stick, it's a goddamn stick. Don't at me. So this stuff is really fun. It's very toxic. It's very dangerous. Hardens in about 10-15 minutes. Oh, son of a bitch. It came with hardener, and I bought hardener. Well, guess yeah, don't need that. Alright, so basically the mixture is, you want basically 1 ounce of this to about 10 drops of this. And yeah, I don't need to read all that. Oh, maybe you do, but so this is about 2 ounces, just because of the bucket. Make sure you seal that fucker back up. Whew. Sweet, sweet smell of fiberglass. Ventilation is key, people. That is 12, I think. There we go. That might have been more than 20. So again, 10 drops per ounce, 2 ounces, 20 drops. If you want to use less, get a smaller container. And then stir it for about 45 seconds. Okay, so that's all mixed up. It smells like candy and tastes like burning. Don't drink this stuff, guys. It's toxic. Okay, first piece here. You don't need much. I actually dab a little bit around. Some people will tell you not to do that, but I don't listen well. A little bit on there. Plop it down. More fiberglass stuff there. I'm probably applying way too much, but that's okay. Okay, that is all of our holes. Now let this dry pretty much for a while, until it's dry. Let it dry until it's dry. Yep, that's it. That's what they say.